Q136-23 eastbound 2. Passing Town Station in Town, Maryland. I didn't go outside. 23 degrees with a wind chill. Whew. I love the cold, but whew, damn. One thing I don't miss walking with the railroad. Walking into snow. That's one thing I do not miss. Alright, if I understand correctly, X370 have bunch of it. But I don't know if he left already or still there. Oh, that's a lot of code, right? What we do. If I catch him, we have, I don't know. After this train, I'm heading towards Point of Walks. Q136, you guys look good. You guys be safe going eastbound and down. Alright, see you guys at Point of Walks. I don't know if we're going to stay there all day, not all day, for a couple hours or so. I may go to somewhere else. I don't know yet, but I'll figure something out.